Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Adobe XD tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to create the onboarding screens in Adobe XD. The onboarding process is essentially a series of screens which direct users through an app interface. These onboarding screens have three purposes. The first one is educate the user about the functions and benefit of the app. Next, allow the user to register their login details. And the final one is collect profile information that can be used to deliver personalized content and notifications. I hope you guys got a basic idea about the onboarding screens. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have already created an artboard for this tutorial. Now I'm gonna select a shape from my folder. I will leave you guys the Google Drive link of this shape in the description. Let's align the shape to the center of the artboard. Next, I'm gonna add an image and align it with the shape. From here, I'm gonna add the title of the artboard. Then I will align the title to the center. I'll be using the Robota font family and I will keep the font size to 27 pixels and font weight will be bold. Now I'm gonna select the text tool and copy paste the description which I have already created. I will change the font weight to light and I will reduce the font size to 20 pixels. After that, I will align it to the center. Next, I will make a copy of the description and change the text to skip and place it to the top of the right corner of the artboard. Now I'm going to create a small circle on the bottom left corner of the artboard. Next, I will use the repeat grid option to make two more copies of it. We will be having three onboarding screens. That's why I have created these three small circles to indicate it. Now, I will fill the first circle with the yellow color. After that, I'm going to create a button to navigate to the next screen. I will fill the button with yellow color and I will give the button a lighter yellow shadow. Then I will place an arrow on top of it and change its color to white. Now I'm gonna make a copy of this artboard and I will delete the image. Then I'm gonna fill the second circle at the bottom with the yellow color. Once I have this, I will replace the title and the description with a new one. After that, I will place a new image on top of the shape like the first screen. Now I'm gonna make a copy of the second screen and replace the image, title and description. And I will also fill the third circle at the bottom with yellow color. Okay guys, we have created the onboarding screen of a food delivery app. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.